everyone, so alright, I found some overripe bananas. I'm gonna make some banana fritters. In mine I'm gonna use some mixed spice, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a little sugar, as well as some salt. Alright, so but share with me some of the things that you do with overripe bananas. First, start by peeling them off. I had washed them earlier just in case any particles were on them. You can see that they're really overripe. That means the fritters are going to be on the sweeter side, so you don't need to use a lot of sugar. So I've gotten 2.5 bananas from the three. Alright, so we're gonna mash them out. Adding our spice now, right? Our mixed spice, our vanilla, and nutmeg. All of the ingredients that I use will be listed in the description box, guys. Also, please feel free to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's give that a quick little mix. Adding in some salt. Guys, how did you like my pizza video? Hope I gave you guys some ideas during that video. And remember, any dish that you want us to do, just leave a comment. If I can source those ingredients, I'll sure make those dishes for you guys. Alright, so we're gonna add in a little sugar, like about 2 tablespoons. And the flour. You're gonna need a little bit of water just in case it gets tight on you, alright? Okay, I've added some oil for frying, alright? And this is a spoon that I'm going to use, just a little bigger than a teaspoon. And the batter should be a little bit thicker than the pancake batter. And remember, we don't add baking powder to fritters because that's a leavening agent, which means that it's going to absorb too much oil. Alright, one of the ways you know when these fritters are fried, when you see some air bubbles, that means the oil is penetrating right through the fritters. I do like mine with a little crust on the edge. there you have it, guys, our banana fritters. I hope you give this recipe a try. Until next time, bye.